All right, this video answers the question of what is the quadratic equation and when do you use it? So when we're given an equation and we need to solve that equation, we've learned so far to solve by factoring, solve by taking square roots, and then we're going to learn today how to solve by using the quadratic equation. All right? So this problem right here, if I were to try to factor that, it wouldn't work. Also, I can't take the square root because I have an x squared term and a term with just the x, so that doesn't work well. All right, so what you have to do is find your a, b's, and c's here. And if I do that on this one, a equals 1, b is going to be -2, and c is going to be -6. All right, then we can plug that into what's called the quadratic equation, circled here in blue. The quadratic equation is x equals -b. This sign is called plus or minus. That's going to be plus or minus the square root, this whole square root of b squared minus 4 times the a times the c, all divided by 2a. So for this problem, if I want to plug in these a, b's, and c's to that, I like to use open parentheses and just put in those numbers where they go. For example, I want the opposite of my b. My b is -2, so it's going to be -2 plus or minus b squared, again that's -2 squared, minus 4 times the a times the c, so 1 and -6. And then all divided by 2 times a. My a was 1. So then I can work this out, and I'll do that in some other videos. But that's the quadratic equation.